Income Ninja back in here with another video, and I preempted my intro, but again, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share this video with everyone you know, especially those who live in Canada. Why? That's because there is an amazing work from home opportunity in Canada. That's right, Canada. So all my Canadians, all my bilingual Canadians to be exact, they are looking for someone to work from home through T-Tech to be a customer service representative. Okay, now T-Tech is an award-winning company, and they have been on the map since 1982. They started in 1982, and they have been recruiting people to work for companies for 30 years pretty much. Well, 40 years. Yeah, about 40 years. So let's go through this job lead real quick so that you can apply quickly and get this position. Again, even though it's Canada, and even though Canada is a French English country, they're looking for someone bilingual to actually work in the Spanish English sector. Okay, so the lead is as follows: join the award-winning certified Great Place to Work T-Tech Canada team to help us deliver exceptional customer service experiences as a work from home bilingual customer service rep, Spanish English. If you reside in and are seeking a job in British Columbia, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, Ontario and Quebec, and would like to work from the comfort of your own home, so either that's for a real work at home employer, then you found the right opportunity. Now, as a T-Tech bilingual customer experience champion, you'll enjoy some really cool perks, and here's a taste of it. Your base salary will be up to $17.50 per hour. It will be a permanent full-time position. You'll have a gamified platform, so you'll always know how you're doing. So I guess there's metrics, and you'll have a screen that tells you how many people you're dealing with and the points and all that jazz. Okay, so there's performance-based bonus opportunities, supportive leadership and coaches, ongoing training to be the best that you can be in your job, free access to thousands of courses to grow your career potential, leadership development programs to prep you for career growth opportunities, employee discounts to local stores and services, extra bonus opportunities through our employee referral program. Alright, now on a typical day, you'll accept inbound calls from customers, you'll provide stellar customer service, you'll gather information from the customer to make appropriate recommendations for new products and services, and you'll effectively resolve issues or concerns. So what you need to have to qualify for this role: you should have exceptional communication skills in Spanish and English, written and verbal, exceptional computer skills, available full-time without schedule restrictions, ability to thrive in a dynamic environment, 6 months or more of customer service experience, handy with Microsoft Windows and other computer applications, eligibility to work in Canada. Now, the equipment you'll need: your own computer, which uses Windows 10, ability to hardwire direct to your home router during your at-home employment, so they want an Ethernet cable. You should have a USB headset. You should have a webcam. You should also have a dedicated landline or smartphone or device, and that is required during employment, and this is for your manager to contact you, provide one-on-one guidance or coaching, and for you to reach out to us for help as needed. They're leaving an additional note here. Note that Videotron as an ISP provider is incompatible with our systems, so if that's the system you use, then that won't work with and for T-Tech. Okay, so a bit about T-Tech if you haven't heard of them. We help global brands provide a great experience to their customers, build customer loyalty, and grow their business. We were founded on one guiding principle: customer experiences that are simple, inspired, and more human, deliver lasting value for everyone. Your role brings that principle to life. Now, at the end, they're saying that T-Tech is an equal opportunity employer, so regardless of race, gender, sex, sexual orientation, religion, nationality, all that stuff, they're not going to be considering those things. They're going to be considering what you bring to the table and if you are in line with the qualifications they've set. So again, one of the key qualifications is you need to be in Canada for this particular role, and you should be bilingual, i.e. Spanish and English. So again, your base salary is $17.50 per hour, but that is not where it stops. You will have performance-based pay, and so you will more than likely end up making more than the $17.50 per hour. Alright, gang, so that's it for making money online with this job lead. And note, jobs are good, but there are better ways to make money online. If it is that you need to start at a job, there's nothing wrong with that. If it is a job you love, there's nothing wrong with that. But don't go to your job because you absolutely have to. It's better to go there because you choose to. How can you choose to go to a job versus having to go there? Well, if your whole life earning is based solely on exchanging your time for that money, then you have to go. If it's a case where you have other sources of income, you are financially free, but you choose to go there for work, then that is a case where you choose to go to your job. I'm saying it is better to choose than to be forced to. Alright? And with that said, in the links in the description below are options that you can look through. Options that will teach you to start an online business from the comforts of your home, putting in an hour or two per day, or as much as you honestly can put in per day to set your system up and then be able to generate passive income while you're at your job. And if it is that when your business takes off, if you want to work at your job, then that's your choice. But then if you don't, you have the freedom of having money being earned from your own business that you can step away from your job. So instead of earning $17.50 per hour, imagine earning $1,750 for the day or more, because you will dictate how much you earn by the amount of effort you put in and the types of products or services that you are promoting. So again, guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and staying with me to the end of this video. And since you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone you know, especially your Canadian friends. This is me, the Internet Income Ninja, signing out. Peace.